Okay, yes, Titu. Chalo. Our new point is physical properties of alcohol. There are three physical properties we should have to discuss. A bus, A B S. A for acidity. Otherwise you can say acidic property. Second one boiling point, and third one is solubility in water. Yes, acidic property के केस में as per Arrhenius theory, the substance which is ready to give proton in aqueous solution known as a acid. Aqueous solution means water में solution बनाएंगे जो substance proton देता है उसको हम acid बोलते हैं. Alcohol act as weak acid because yes, यहाँ alcohol will lose H plus and gives proton in a aqueous solution. It gives finally alkoxide is a main product. Why alcohol is ready to give the proton? You see, there is a OH bond in alcohol. When oxygen bond form two bonds, at that time two lone pair of electron will be present on oxygen atom. Moreover, electronegativity of oxygen is more compared to hydrogen. That's why this covalent bonded electron may be dragged towards the oxygen atom. And finally H is to be released by alcohol. That's why it will act as acid. Yes, now acidic property, otherwise you can say acidity of alcohol. It depends upon the nature of R, otherwise X, Y, Z. The groups which is attached with carbon attached to hydroxy group is known as a X, Y, Z. Sometimes electron repelling groups are attached with carbon atoms. Sometimes electron withdrawing groups will attach with carbon atom. In case of electron repelling group, methyl group is electron repelling group. Suppose in this alcohol CH3OH, one hydrogen is replaced by methyl group. It is known as ethanol, primary alcohol. If two hydrogens are two hydrogens are replaced by two methyl group, known as a prop2ol. This is secondary alcohol. If all the hydrogens are replaced by methyl group, known as a taucidial alcohol, 2-methyl prop2ol. Now methyl group possess electron repelling property. In this case, from three side electron repelling property की वजह से electron density on oxygen atom will be increased. या oxygen पे electron density increase होगी, then negative charge की density will also increase, so the attraction on H plus will be maximum. So OH bond will strong. OH bond strong होता है, H plus release नहीं होगा, then it is known as a weak acid. In this case, two methyl groups are attached with carbon. Compared to this compound, यहाँ electron density कम होगी, यहाँ और कम होगी, यहाँ एकदम कम होगी. तो यहाँ ये बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा, थोड़ा वीक होगा, यहाँ थोड़ा वीक होगा, ये मैक्सिमम वीक होगा. Means as we go methyl alcohol to ethanol, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, electron density on oxygen atom will increase. Simultaneously OH bond की strength increase होती जाएगी. तो H bond release होने, H bond break होने की possibility कम होती जाएगी. तो H plus release होने की possibility कम हो जाएगी. That's why acidic strength will decrease as we go from left hand side to right hand side. Otherwise, if electron repelling group, number of electron repelling groups are more, then acidity will be decreased. Yes, sometimes इस कार्बन के साथ the carbon atom which is directly attached to OH group, that carbon is attached with electron withdrawing group. Suppose Cl is the electron withdrawing group. यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉ करेंगे तो यहाँ ऑक्सीजन पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ऑफ ऑन ऑक्सीजन एटम विल डिक्रीज. As a result, OH bond will, yes, attraction of lone pair of electron on H plus will be decreased. So the OH bond will becomes weak. यहाँ in this case there are two chlorine atoms, two electron withdrawing groups. यहाँ एक है, यहाँ एक भी नहीं है. So electron density on oxygen atom as we go from left hand side to right hand side, electron and density decrease होगी. इनकी वजह से strength of OH bond will decrease. So the acidic strength will increase. Then this is CH3OH. This is ये क्लोरोमिथेनॉल कहा जाएगा. दिस इज डाइक्लोरोमिथेनॉल, ट्राइक्लोरोमिथेनॉल. तो ये एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ इंक्रीज होती जाएगी. दैट्स व्हाई एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मिथेनॉल इज लेस देन क्लोरोमिथेनॉल, इज लेस देन डाइक्लोरोमिथेनॉल, इज लेस देन ट्राइक्लोरोमिथेनॉल. ओके, ये हो गया एसिडिक नेचर. सेकेंड वन, solubility in water. Yes, if any organic compound is capable to form hydrogen bond with a water molecule, then it will mix with water. You mind well. If a compound is not able to form hydrogen bond with water molecule, then it will be not soluble in water. Hydrogen, what is hydrogen bond? It is a simple weak attraction force between lone pair of electron and positively charged hydrogen. This is the alcohol molecule. Then second one, water molecule. Then second alcohol molecule, water molecule. Yes, positively charged in alcohol or water. There is a OH bond. In OH bond, or electron activity of oxygen is more compared to hydrogen. That's why this bonding electron pair of covalent bond will slightly shift it towards the oxygen atom. As a result, hydrogen will acquire partially positive charge. The positive charge hydrogen of alcohol and lone pair of electron on oxygen atom. इनके बीच attraction होगा. This is hydrogen bond. This is alcohol. Hydrogen bond. It is known as intermolecular hydrogen bond. Yes, if organic compound is capable to form hydrogen bond with water molecule, then it will be soluble in water. One more thing, solubility of organic compound always depends upon the number of hydrogen bond formed by organic compound. Yes, if the number of hydrogen bond ज्यादा बनेगा तो वाटर सॉल्युबिलिटी ज्यादा होगी, मोर. In case of ethanol, only one OH group is there. That's why only one hydrogen bond will form with water molecule. This compound ethylene glycol, one molecule of ethylene glycol possesses two hydroxy group. That's why ethylene glycol will form two hydrogen bond compared to ethanol. Yes. Next one is glycerol. Glycerol possesses three hydroxy group. That's why a molecule of glycerol form three hydrogen bond compared to ethanol. Means ethanol के compare में double hydrogen bond ethylene glycol में form होंगे. With compared to ethanol, in case of glycerol 3 times hydrogen bond form होंगे. That's why water solubility of ethanol will be less compared to ethylene glycol or less compared to glycerol. Glycerol is a maximum soluble in water. इससे थोड़ा less ethylene glycol है और इससे कम ethanol है. That's why this is the water solubility or boiling point. अब बाद में इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल गो ऑन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. ये एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी और सॉल्युबिलिटी आज खत्म हो गया. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट पे नेक्स्ट टाइम जाएंगे. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. ट्राई टू शेयर अवर वीडियोज. ओके, यस, थैंक यू वेरी मच.